this cap first. This cap has a hole inside. We'll show later through which we can put the fiber optics. It's always easier when you insert a fiber optic, keep a little bit gel inside first. Okay, so this is prepared already. I put the cap on top. And now, please give me the fiber optics, take it out. Okay, this is sterile, but we need only the end sterile. What is in the catheter? You see the long one, because we are using this fiber optics also for endoscopes. If we treat maybe esophageal gastric cancer, colon cancer, then we have to put it through the endoscope. Therefore, we need this length of fiber optics. This fiber optics is very special. If you look at the end, it has 2 marks at the end, and it will be connected to the laser, what is in his hand there, yeah. And the laser beam goes through, and there's a distribution of laser light circularly at the end here. So if we put this one in the prostate, in the urethra, or in the bladder, the laser light comes out circularly. Yeah, that's very important because we can use, with this technology, higher power lasers. Yeah, so if the laser comes out only on the end, the power is very high and it will burn a hole everywhere. But this has a bigger surface now, and so we can use even up to 2000 milliwatt laser inside the prostate or inside the rectum without any damage. Bleib hier, Gelinde. Okay, so first of all, now I put it inside. Maybe I show you first. I block the catheter for demonstration. And you can see the blockage balloon here at the end. Yeah. And when we treat the prostate, this is now blocked in the bladder. The fiber optics with the radiation should be below this balloon. This part is in the prostate. So I put this inside now. So therefore it's a little bit easier with a little bit gel inside. And it's sliding better inside. So you see now the 2 marks coming. Kalinde, bleib bitte hier. So, this is the right position for the catheter. Yeah, so you see the circular irradiation fiber optics is here. And already you can make a mark with the pen here. You see we made a black mark here, so that later I know exactly that the catheter stays in the right position. Okay? Hast du Schwarzstift? So I would always recommend, mach nochmal, to make a mark on this. Then later you know exactly that the catheter is in the right position. Okay? So I take the blockage out now. You see, and we have already 2 or 3 minutes. In the meantime, our gel could work very well. So I take the second gel. Inside. Okay. So, and now we can start the procedure. I put the rest of gel a little bit on the catheter. Okay. Andreas, you can connect to the laser. Please connect to the red laser first. Then I want to show you the circular radiation, because we are working with infrared during the procedure, what we cannot see very well. Only for a short demonstration that you can see how this fiber optics is working. Red, yeah, start, yeah. Here you can see this catheter is blocked in the bladder and this part is in the prostate. So we have a circular irradiation inside the prostate. Yeah, and we are working with nano ICG photosensitizer, and nano ICG works with infrared light, which has a deep penetration up to 4, 5, 6 centimeters effectively. A red laser would not be good enough because penetration depth effectively maybe is only 1 centimeter. But nano ICG is the first photosensitizer which works with infrared light, 810 nanometers. So we have a much deeper penetration. And that's very important because the prostate cancer mostly is not in the center. The prostate cancer mostly is on the border, yeah, below the capsule. And therefore we have to penetrate the whole organ. We are doing this now from the urethra, and in the second step we are doing this also from the rectal side in the next step. Okay, you can switch off and connect to our infrared laser now. So for inserting the catheter, I let the fiber optics already inside. Okay. Not, yeah. Okay. Yeah, 50%. No? We're using 2000 milliwatt 50% for 30 minutes. Kannst du es halten? Okay. So now we have enough waiting time. Moving the first 10-20 centimeters inside is easy because in this part the urethra is straight. The most important thing is when it goes into the bladder. Okay, everything? Okay, that's enough. Okay. Is it okay?
Okay.
Good. So, Gerlinde, come. Blockage. Blockage. Give it normally 5 ml saline solution. It's okay, good enough. Okay. Hands up. You see the mark is still okay. I put it back. You see now it's blocked. Here it's blocked. Right position. So we fix this here. So the urine can still run out here. The mark is fine. So we fix here. And the good thing is the patient has not to run to the toilet because the urine can run out all the time. Okay.
Ist die Marke drin?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay, dann starten.
So we switch on for 30 minutes and that's all.
Switch on.
Okay. Wir können noch mal eins machen. Stopp, ne? Gerlinde, mach noch